In this video, I'll guide you through how to view your reservation receipt on Vrbo. Whether you're a property owner or a traveler, keeping track of your bookings and payments is essential. Let's dive right into the process, ensuring that you can quickly access and review your reservation details without any hassle. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Vrbo account. Once you're in, navigate to the main dashboard. This is where you'll find all of your properties if you're an owner or your bookings if you're a traveler. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the perspective of a property owner, but travelers can follow along to understand how owners manage these details. Start by selecting the property for which you want to view the reservation receipt. If you own multiple properties, make sure to choose the correct one from your list. This ensures that the information you access is relevant to the specific reservation you're interested in. If you're unsure about the property, double-check the reservation details to avoid any confusion. Once you've selected the property, look for the Payments tab. This tab is your gateway to all financial transactions related to your property bookings. Click on it and you'll be directed to a new page. Here, you'll find various options and summaries related to your payments. But for this particular task, you need to focus on the payout summary. Click on Payout Summary, and this will bring up a detailed overview of all the payments you've received for your reservations. It's a comprehensive section where you can see each transaction, the amounts, and payment dates. This is particularly useful for keeping track of your earnings and ensuring everything is in order. Now, within the Payout Summary, locate the specific reservation receipt you wish to view. The receipts are typically organized by date, so you might need to scroll through the list if you have numerous reservations. Once you find the correct receipt, simply click on it to open it. As you open the receipt, you'll see all the pertinent details related to that reservation. This includes the booking dates, the total amount paid, and any fees or taxes that were included. Reviewing this information is crucial for both financial tracking and ensuring you have a record of all transactions. If you need a physical copy or want to save it for future reference, you can usually download or print the receipt directly from this page. Look for a download or print icon, which makes it convenient to keep a hard copy or digital file on your computer. And there you have it. Viewing your reservation receipt on Vrbo is a straightforward process once you know where to look. Keeping these steps in mind will help you manage your property finances efficiently and ensure that you have all the necessary documentation at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes managing your reservations that much easier. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.